So for all my handy guys around the globe, I believe this tool is for you. So meet the new Makita 4-in-1 cordless power bundle. This power tool comes as a collection and it contains a cordless grinder, a cordless Hilti, a cordless impact wrench, a cordless drill machine, a tool bag, and a one charger. And it's got two 148 volts batteries. With these, you can do all your handiwork, be it drilling. If you want to drill, like you want to put a board on the wall, or you want to mount up your kitchen cabinets, or if you want to make your dressing lines, whatever it is that has to do with small handiworks around the house, or if you've got some kind of a woodwork, or those who want to make a playhouse for their children outdoors, you can also use this, something that is made of wood. If you want to make like a tree house, this tool is also for you. So it covers all your needs when it comes to small furniture works just around the house. It's a very good tool and highly recommended. It's a 4-in-1 tool. Why don't you check it out and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Don't forget to like and to share this video. Thank you.